Hello. You may think that I'm somewhere in a village observing some beautiful flower beds, but not. We decided to go to the Red Square. It is in the heart of Moscow. For this part of the video, we have found a place with no people around, and I want to tell you just a bit about the Red Square itself. It is extremely popular and famous place for a lot of Russians, and a lot of people and tourists from different countries and cities all around our country come here to observe the most memorable place in Russian history. The thing behind me is called the 0 kilometer. It is the kilometer, like it is the special start for most of the roads in Moscow. And the thing is that a lot of people and tourists coming here, they have to throw the coin over themselves and just make a wish. And probably someone it will happen. So that's the main area of the Red Square, and a lot of events such as Victory Day Parade are held in here because this just area is huge and it is just perfect for main events of Russian Federation. So as you see, a lot of people behind me, they're taking pictures, and it is very popular activity in here. So, and we have prepared the most common ones for you. Take a look. Just for you to know, the Red Square wasn't called red because of its color. Red in Russian is Красный, and Красный it was the synonym to the word красивый. So the Red Square is beautiful square in Russian. When the evening comes, the lights on GUM, it is department store, are switched on in order to lighten up the city. So it's time to wrap up. We've shown you things around the Red Square today. See you in the next episode. Bye.